Taklai bisu khumpu academy wo kabangma admission angnai bangmani bagai hostel ni jaga thairok bahai khe roi manai abono wana oino ADC hapang Achukgwi Tongwi Manliya tini berai manai kha boys hostel tei
holiday wo sande nang khalia holiday kaisa no goro joto nong ko lai abono soi mano nong room no soi mano ha norok tongmani tau sama nong ni jorowo hostel of friend tamo siri jorowo hostel of friend krei siri jorowo hostel of friend krei ke manawai tongna tamo siri tongma hari ko tu khagre ko friend saga friend ni tongna ke ba aino ko tongna pe ang saya je perfume use cleaning motor mani use pe jauh saya norok no wisem nai omorok noro okorok se tongmani je chati tongna umke bu bahai ko nai rwnai noro kaham ke poriman ke bu kaham sini boro ran sini antar bahai klem tong I porimani surmani da kaisa salai ka kai te borung sumpe wanju ko an mana salak nai bo siru pasana sini boro rok tabuk phano iko agus kang pro 6 college the principal candidate kre buji kada principal ne kre principal nani candidate sikre janga jaga tong yang ke salayo o hasi ni se ni sao la siba singja doro kaham ke por di university of Hainai doro to sab bai na ani tong ko tai 12 years mere sab ne university bo por idani kai in admission nana kai history department by corporate department ang ai ko kira especially class 12 taklai ni simi madhyamik 6 na 7 and 12 5 I'm here with my colleague Dr. Biman. He has 2 master degree. Okay. One is in English, one is in linguistics. MA degree. All right. So from this year, but there is an entrance test. So April, the first week of April, they are supposed to open the portal. You'll have to fill it up. You'll have exam. If you qualify, you'll be able to get into those courses, right? And if you can score 90 to 95, okay, you'll get scholarship. Per month, you are saying about money, na? I'll give you money. If you get 90-95%, I am assuring you, I'll give you per month 7,500.
Sir, I'm little weak in studies.
Why you should be weak? Which subject are you weak? Which subject? What are your subject combination? Huh?
Not weak, but little.
What are the subject? What subject do you take in your class 12?
English.
English is compulsory. Next, elective?
Economic.
And
History. Pol science and Bengali.
Myself, history,